Hello, good morning. Today I will try to show you the integral of Lambert W function. My name is already you know that my name is Alunet. Uh, my second profession is mastering of mathematics. I want to be professional as to master of this one. Lambert W function is basically nowadays in the world challenged the world new mathematical expression. In Ethiopia, this function is trained by in the university as well as the upgrade of university. So I will try to show you a clue and unique mathematical expression for this one. So I will be compatible to any wallet that will be challenged by in mathematics. So Lambert W function is a function. Basically, they are expressed in the form of fx is equal to. You can see that it is x in the power of x. Fx is x into the power of x e to the power of x. What does it mean? This is an experimental value. This is experimental. It's definitely it's not calculated. It is formulated by experimental value. So this experimental value of Johansen Lambert experimental value will be evaluated in Wolfram calculator. This is basically Wolfram calculator is found in website. Will be found in alpha calculator. Alpha calculator will be calculate for this one. There's no any scientific calculator to be evaluated for this one. This function will be expressed in the form of f inverse of x. They will express like this one, w of x. This is w means it's omega, like omega angular velocity or omega in mathematics. It's omega of x, or it is Wolfram of x. This Wolfram of x will be evaluated by, you can see that w into x into e to the power of x. When you apply Wolfram for this function, you will get x. Similarly, w of x times e to the power of w of x will be evaluated by x. The value of x and 2 of this one, the value of x on the graph, when you see this graph, you'll have a domain. Domain of this function will show that x must be greater than or equal to minus 1 over e. E is epsilon. Epsilon means 2.781 something. It's approximation value. This value as a domain for this graph, the graph of this one. Overall Lambert W function will be based on the domain. Domain of f means it is when you evaluate a limit value, you will get a definite value. And definite values, it is a finite value that will be expressed as a. That f must be what? It is an element of set of real number. This real number will be convergent for that function. Convergent. Any expression, any books, they are expressed like this one. When you get this function to be convergent, you should have to be compare the domain of this function to should be what x must be greater than or equal to 1 minus 1 over e. When you use a Lambert W function, you should have to be taken about the domain as well as the graph when you cross the line which is computed. So based on that one, last time I derivated for this Lambert W function. So today I will try to show you the integral of the Lambert W function. First of all, I would like to show you it is w of x, d of x. Most of you in the university or in secondary school students, they know that the integral of ln of x, d of x, will be calculated by integrate by part. So similarly, this one will be evaluated like this one, that one. So first of all, solution for this one, it's a proof. It is a proof, it's not solution, but I'll show you the solution. Let y is equal to w of x. Okay, w of x times e into w of x is how much? It is x. Okay, Good. So assume that w of x is y. When you derive for this one, you'll substitute for this one. Okay, the derivative of this one, it is a product value. You know that f times g. When you derive for this one, f derivative times g plus g derivative at f. When this one is based on the domain, you should have to be taken about when you derive for this one as well. The domain is restricted for you. Before you evaluate the value, you should have to be taken. The second one will be what? A into the power of f of x. When you derive for this one, a into f of x times, it is ln of a times the derivative of f of x. Okay, you should have to be taken about such kind of evaluation. So I will derive for both sides. It is a product value. How do I evaluate? Look, the derivative of x e into w of x plus the derivative of this one e into w of x. The derivative of this one, ln of e means 1 because logarithm of will be evaluated in constant value, it's e. Ln of e means 1. So I will derivative for x, and the w of x will be evaluated. The derivative of this one with respect to x is d of x. Okay, so as you can see that this is the derivative based on in the dx value. Okay, good. So as you can see, d of x, w of x means based on this one, you can evaluate for this one like this one. This is the derivative means similarly when you w of x means y into e the power of y is equal to x. We can represent like this one. You can represent like this one, y e in the power of y. So evaluate for this one. To evaluate for this one, I'll show you the derivative of with respect to y. It is similarly y derivative is with respect to x is e the power of y. Okay, with respect to y is this one plus the derivative of this one is e the power of y times y inside like this one is equal to the derivative for with respect to x with respect to x is dx. This is with respect to dy. Okay, so the integral of this one will be evaluated like this one. W of x means y. Okay, d of x means you can see that e in the power of y plus 1 into e the power of y dy. Okay, you'll be expressing the y format. So evaluate like this one. Y square e is the power of y plus this one is y e the power of y is dy. Okay, so when you evaluate for this one, y square plus y into e the power of y dy. Okay, good. So now you can possibly to be evaluated in you know that it is a shortest trick mechanism for solving this problem. You can use the derivative and integral evaluation mechanism of this value. The derivative of this one, y square plus y, this one e the power of y. Okay, this is the first. Assume that this one, the derivative as well as integral, integrate by part. This is a derivative, this is the integral ey, this is the integral part. When you derive for this one, 2y plus 1. Okay, this one is ey. Good. When you derive for this one, you will get 2. When you derive for this one, ey. Good. When you derive for this one, you will get 0. When you derive for this one, ey. Every time you start from positive. Positive minus negative, positive, negative. What does it mean? Positive means you will cross like this one, it's positive. When you cross this one, it's negative. When you cross for this one, it's negative. When you multiply this one, it's 0. Okay, so you rewrite like this one. The integral of this integral value will be evaluated y squared plus y squared plus y this is plus, this is how much e is the power of y, it is plus, okay, this is plus, this is already minus, minus 2y plus 1 times how much e is the power of y, plus this one is minus, plus minus plus, okay, this is plus 2 times e plus, you can never change this one, okay, this is okay, this is y squared is the power of y plus y is the power of y minus 2y is the power of y minus is the power of y plus 2ey plus c. When you calculate for this one, as you can see, similar term will be obtained, this one and this one, and this one is y squared is the power of y minus y into e is the power of y plus this one is e is the power of y plus c, where c is an element of set of real. So y, what does it mean y? Y means wx. Wx square means w square x. Ey means, as you can see, ey means x over y. X over y means x over w of x. X over w of x minus, you can see y is the power of y means it is x, okay, plus, as you can see, this one is e the power of y. E the power of y means x over w of x plus c. C is an element of set of real. This is nothing, it is w of x times x. Okay, this one is x minus x plus x over w of x plus c, where c is an element of set of. In general, the evaluation for this one, the integral of this one will show you like this one. The integral of this one will be what? X into w of x minus x plus x over w of x plus, where c is an element of c. It's not complex number. C must be determined for any person who evaluated. C is an element of set of real number, not complex number. Not complex number. C is an element of constant. That constant must be what? Set of real number, not constant as in complex number. So finally we get x into w of x minus 1 plus 1 over w of x plus c, where c is an element of set of real. Thank you very much. Next time I will be continuing Lambert W function. Thank you.